Bali, Bali, you're the top 3 winners. Marco, keep going, you're rocking your energy. Hey, let's hope we're gonna get those big ones, Much bigger, bigger. All right, 10. Coco, Revy, and Ali, your ton is at the Gridger. Coco, 5,988 euros goes to you. 20x was the multiplier. Ballman in the chat already right there. Woohoo! 50x. Bank times here. Out of play, but no option is available for you as well. Ballman, thank you so much. And nice winning there. Good luck. Right now, Ballman being like, nice, baby. Hitting that 50x. Fitting that 50x. 3x on a crazy time it is from Tasa, ladies and gentlemen. LP, hello to you, hello to all the newcomers. Welcome to the crazy time. Look at you, pretty, with the heart auto pick with that 50x. And let's say, yeah, crazy time with 3x multiplier, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go. Get that crazy, get that party started in here. Oh, yeah, let's go. Crazy time, everybody. Woo! Let's get crazy. Let's party. Get wild. Let's party. Crazy time. Let's go. Oh, yeah. Oh. And remember from the top slot, 3x multiplier added up. Oh. Let's go. Put up those water bottles up. And right now, bottle up because 3 flapper decisions for you. Blue as a bluebird, green as a grace, or yellow, hello. Yeah, which one do you prefer? Looks like the majority is hitting that blue. Well, let's see what's gonna happen. So let's put on some action. So 300x next one, let's go. Woo! Let's go, everybody. Oh, we're gonna get those double cheeseburgers as well. Oh, we're gonna get those double cheeseburgers. Oh, yes, we are. Double cheeseburger on that green, 75x on the blue, 105x on the yellow, but double cheeseburger on that green. Woo-hoo! Get like everyone, 600x, baby. Oh, yeah, the biggest one. Oh, we're going to hit another maybe double cheeseburger. Let's go. Let's go. Another double cheeseburger maybe here. Yeah, baby, yeah! Green with the 300x! Woo!
I'm bold and beautiful, you know. Let's spin the wheel. Congratulations as well to all of the winners. You decided what side you put up. Was this time in the back telling you which one to put up? No, nobody's telling me anything. I'm the master of my fate there, ladies and gentlemen, as you should be of your own fate, you know. Oh, cash hunt with a free X from the multiplier there. Go for positive for big bonuses. Yeah, let's go for it. Oh, I feel good. Anybody feels good as well? Can we go with that cash hunt? My lords and my ladies, cash hunt with a free X step from the top slots. Welcome to the realm of Jon Snow. I'm just joking. It's cash hunt there, ladies and gentlemen. You know me. He said that I'm not good at spinning there now. Take your words back there, my lords and my ladies. Free X there. Free X. The board is beautiful there. Let's go. 1,500X. The max multiplier. Remember that. Now it does its own thing. It shuffles around, You know, you will have your time taken and pretty much don't shoot me. Shoot at the wall there, ladies and gentlemen, you know. It's decision time. Let's dance a little bit. No? Yeah, I'm a horrible dancer there, I know. So, let's go, and decision is closed. Let's rebel at the wall. Decision closing. It's a little bit annoying. Yeah. Let's stand here. I hope everybody wins their big box there now. Come on, bro. Come on. Anybody knows Elvis Presley there? Yeah. Yes. Yes? Yes or no? Yes or no? Elvis? Elvis Presley. Anybody saw that movie about Elvis? On the module you have Weird Emil! Oh, there was the foul! Woo! Congratulations all the winners. I saw it. Somebody won.
You're the top 3 winners. Marco, keep going. You're rocking your energy. Hey, let's hope we're gonna get those big ones, 4 bonus rounds, Coinflip, Cash, and Pachinko, and a crazy time. Oh, yeah. Hopefully, we're gonna hit more and more. Bigger than last time. Much bigger, bigger. All right, 10x on that Pachinko it is. Ocean, sing that we can't be together. Why, Ocean? Bless, you're not the one to, Bless. Oh, again! Yes, Pachinko with the 10x! We go, another time, 10x on that Pachinko. Woo! I tell you, not the first, but the last time we're gonna hit it. All right, everyone. So what are we gonna start with? 7x, 10x, 15, 20, 25, double cheeseburger. Whoosha, 10x multiplier from top slot applying. Woo! Let's go! All right, double cheeseburger on the plate. And we got that biggest multiplier, 250x, ladies and gentlemen. Good luck. All right, everyone. Let's get this party started. Let's get this drop-in business started. Go to that 150. 150! Yes! Woo-hoo! 150x on that Pachinko. Let's roll. 8,060 winners out there. Marco, Biggie, and Kurio top winners out there. Great job, Marco. Top winner, 31,100 euros goes to... Ah! Yeah!
Video finished. The clock in the video is a Troll Time UTC-HS clock. How to compare the hours in this video. Open an internet search for world clocks and compare the hours on the video with the clocks in your country. Thank you.